Hey guys, Santos here with RedBird. I wanted to come today and talk to you about another exciting project that we just completed. This is a surveillance install, and it was an install for a salon, one of our customers. And the customer was looking for something that was a lot nicer and better than what they were using before, but something that wasn't going to break the bank, something that was going to be affordable. We landed on a product from Ubiquiti. You've heard us talk about Ubiquiti before. We use their Wi-Fi access points a lot. We do a lot of stuff with their routers, with their gateways. This time we did it with their cameras, and we went with a camera called the G3 Flex. It's a 1080p, very low profile, indoor-outdoor camera that really impressed us as far as quality and angle. It's a turret style, so it has some mobility. So when you hang it, you're able to move it up, down, sideways to adjust to the area that you are trying to film. We installed 6 cameras all around the building. They were all indoors, but like I said, these are rated for outdoors as well. The install was very simple as far as what it took to mount these and get them operable. One of the coolest things about this system and going through Ubiquiti is that one of their keys, you've heard us talk about console keys with Ubiquiti, probably their smallest key, which is their Gen 2 Ubiquiti console key, has a hard drive. So we were able to use that key, which is in itself is very, very low profile, and set that up as the NVR collecting all the footage for these cameras. We upgraded the hard drive from a 1 terabyte, which is standard on these, to a 2 terabyte surveillance specific hard drive. That's important. So once we knew that we were going to use this key as the NVR and we were going to turn on the Unify Protect application in this NVR, it was important for us to install a specific hard drive meant for surveillance. Maybe a little later we'll talk to you about what the difference in hard drives are. There's 3 types. That'll be a nice video coming down the line. But once we did that, the customer was very pleased. The quality was very, very good for 1080p. If this is something you guys are interested in, just please reach out to us. Our number is 262-475-2615. Of course, you can follow us on our social media, visit our website, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on that bell notification so you could keep receiving this content we're putting out. Thank you very much, guys. Talk to you later.